In this video, I will introduce using QuickTable to parse the JSON column of CSV file without writing any code and translate these transformations to SQL dialects for Snowflake and Spark SQL step by step. The sample CSV file contains two columns, ID and JSON_value. The JSON_value column holds a simple JSON structure that records the driver's information. To use QuickTable, I open QuickTable.io website. QuickTable is a no-code data tool that empowers data analysts to access, clean, transform data, and build data models in spreadsheet-like UI. You can sign up by Google account or email. In this demo, I just log in QuickTable product directly. In QuickTable product, I create a new folder named JSON and upload the sample CSV file. After uploading the file, click Next to preview the uploaded data. I see the preview is OK, then click Create button to create a new dataset. Open the dataset. Click JSON to Parse menu button and choose Extract Content. In the pop-up window, I select the column JSON_value, then the first row's JSON_value field is parsed. I extract the driver's name, age, and car type from the JSON column into three new columns one by one. You can see in the right part of the screen, QuickTable automatically records the three parsing transformations in the action list. Select all transformations in the action list and click SQL button, then I get the JSON parsing SQL scripts compatible with Snowflake, Spark SQL, and Max Compute. Finally, I save the action list as parse_JSON recipe in the JSON folder. Thanks for your watching. I will introduce how to run QuickTable built SQL queries on Snowflake. You can check more QuickTable demos on our YouTube channel, or you can sign up QuickTable for free at QuickTable.io.